Welcome guys. So this is the PWM control from IC 555. So this type of simulation I am perform on the Circuit Wizard platform. So this is the best software for electronics simulation, especially analog electronics and digital electronics. So here I am choosing an integrated circuit and I am choosing the IC 555. So here in this circuit I am using the IC 555 in a stable mode, but adding some diodes we can use it as a PWM control mode. The circuit simulation is so easy. You need to just drag the components and join them and simulate it. As same you can simulate any circuit. So here is my circuit almost completed, and we can get the output on the pin number 3. That is the pin number 3 is assigned for the output in the case of IC 555. So output is in the form of the square wave. So here I am choosing the graph option, and here is the red probe. So this red probe is connected on pin number 3. So the pin number 3 has some signals. So to see the signal, I have to decrease the time period of the graph. So you can see that is the square wave, and this is the modulated pulse. So the modulation is controlled by the potential meter. So you can see that as potential meter is increase and decrease, the width of the pulse is also increase and decrease. So uh, to get more exact accurate result, I am using a oscilloscope, that is in instruments, and plot the graph and adjusting the graph height and maximum and minimum voltage range. So you can see that it is in positive axis. So our signal is positive 6 volt. Now I am controlling the knob as the charging and discharging of capacitor is clearly visible. So in this way you can simulate any your own circuit, and you can see the output of the circuit with respect to time, as you can see the charging and discharging of the capacitor. So the link of the installation of the software is in description. I previously made the video on the software, so please like, share and subscribe, and please visit the description video for the installation of the software.